Hey guys, my name is Steve and I run an electronics repair business, but also one of the things I like to do is buy salvage broken electronic lots and repair the items so I can resell them. So today I'm gonna unbox and show you what I got in this box of salvage electronics. I paid $485 for it. The products inside I'm not super familiar with fixing, so this should be an adventure. I always recommend, if you're trying to buy salvage items to fix and resell, don't even think about it unless it is manifested and you're an expert electronics repair person. The average person trying to fix this stuff is going to lose a lot of money. So please don't do this unless you're a professional or have a lot of experience fixing broken electronics. Now, with that all being said, let's take a look inside the box. Obviously, this box has been opened. I started opening it when I first got it, but then realized that this might make a cool video for you guys. So I took out about 5 or 10 of the items, and then I put it back in so I could do kind of at least mostly a true unboxing. So I'm just gonna pull some of this stuff out from the top here, and then we'll get the stuff at the bottom, and I'll show you everything that is inside the box. So we've got a whole bunch of these, the Ultimate Wi-Fi SD card. I've actually not even heard of that before. Now this lot I paid $485 for everything. So I'm hoping, it's always nice when I can double my money. But that being said, a lot of this stuff, obviously it was sold as salvage, so it probably doesn't work at all. And sometimes it's not even fixable at all. We've got all kinds of stuff in here. These are wireless display adapters from Microsoft. We've got some sort of camera. So that looks cool. Okay, now a lot of what's in here, oh, we got some more of these micro SD cards. A lot of what's in here should be video cameras. We got a pair of headphones. So here's one video camera, and I did pull out one video camera already in the box. There's another one. One of the problems I'm probably gonna have with this is I don't have power cords or batteries or anything for these, so we'll see how that goes. Power cords and batteries usually cost a good amount of money, and they can really cut into your profit if you're trying to make any money on salvage electronics. So more cameras. We've got an Apple TV. Those are kind of cool. Usually don't go for too much, especially the older ones, but it's kind of cool to have. Another Apple TV. And Microsoft Surface Dial, that's cool. We've got a mouse. It's not gonna be worth a whole lot. We have a Magic Mouse, which is actually kind of cool. My wife is a MacBook person, so if that mouse, if I can get it working, then that will be good for her possibly. Another one of these cameras. These are, what are these? 360 Fly HD camera. No idea what that's worth. More video cameras, more video cameras. There's a lot of these video cameras in here, which I knew when I bought it, and they're worth a decent amount if I can get them working. Another one of these Fly 360 cameras. So this box is fairly small. It doesn't look like much, but there might be a decent amount of good stuff in here. Another Apple product here. And 3 more cameras. Don't want to drop these things and cause more problems. Okay, let's look through here. We got to make sure there's not any little stuff at the bottom of this box. I don't think there is. I think we got everything. Oh, just like this guy. A little Sony voice recorder. Okay, I'll look through that box even better later just to make sure I got everything. So this is what we have. I'm gonna set it out on the table so we can all see exactly what it is, and then we'll see if we think we can make any money on it. Okay, So after looking up solds on eBay and counting these up, these Sony Handycams, I've got 15 of them, and they go for between $70 and $100. What I do sometimes with salvage stuff is I kind of assume that about half of it's going to be fixable and half of it's not. I think well over half of this stuff will be fixable, but I'm just going to go with half just to be safe. So if we have 7 of these at the low end of the scale at $70 each, that would be $490 for the Handycams. And then we have 8 of the Microsoft wireless display adapters. So if 4 of them are good and we go with $22 on the low end of the scale, that'd add another $88. And these iFi Mobi Pro, I really don't know anything about these. I don't know if they're tied to any accounts or anything like that. I know nothing about them. I'm going to assume that they're sellable as is, or they need very little repairs, and I can get something for them, but I could be wrong on this one. So we have 11 of these, and they go from $50 to $65. So if we go 6 times 50, that's another $300 for these guys. So in total, just with this stuff right here, not including these cameras, not including this stack, we would be at $878 if half of it's fixable, and that's on the low end of the scale. So once again, I paid $485, and this, hopefully, I should be able to get $878 just out of this. After looking at everything in the condition it's in, I'm hoping I might be able to pull in $1,000 for everything. So if we take off the approximately $500 we spent on the lot, that would leave us about $500 profit. And that's what I was hoping to get, is spend $500, make $500. So I think that's definitely possible with this lot. We'll see once I get it gone through and sell it, and see if I can actually make that, but I think that's definitely possible with this lot. Now, after I get a bunch of this gone through and fixed and sold, then I'll try and do an update video to this to let you know if I actually did make my profit that I was hoping to make off of the whole deal. Thanks so much for watching this video about my Salvage electronics lot that I bought. Let me know if you think I'm gonna make my money back or not, or whether I'm gonna make the $500 profit that I would like. Hope you guys have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video.